Welcome to the channel. What do you think banana trees can be used for besides producing fruit? Don't look away. The answer at the end of the video might make you see banana trees in a whole new way. The process begins by peeling away the outer layer, accessing the pseudo-stem core, where the fiber structure achieves optimal tensile strength. On-site excess biomass, such as roots and leaves, is immediately removed to optimize transport volume.
Got it, stacking them now.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the alignment with the stack. Okay, set it down right there and back away.
High-capacity wheel loaders perform high-speed feeding, ensuring a continuous flow of raw materials to the factory. The logistics system is precisely synchronized, minimizing latency between harvest time and entry into the processing line. The entire batch passes through a pressure steaming chamber. High-temperature steam penetrates deep into the cells, sterilizing and softening the plant structure. High-speed rotary blades perform precise axial cuts, splitting the stem to prepare for the fiber stripping stage. Multi-stage roller systems apply calculated compression force, simultaneously dewatering and breaking mechanical bonds to release raw fibers. Industrial carding machines parallelize the fibers, removing substandard short fibers to create a uniform material strip. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The final rinsing step neutralizes the pH on the fiber surface, ensuring complete removal of residual chemical ions. Infrared drying tunnels provide radiant heat energy, instantly fixing the dye into the fiber structure. Finished fiber bales are stored in a humidity-controlled environment, preventing moisture reabsorption. Robotic arms with integrated sensors measure physico-chemical indices of the surface treatment solution in real time. Cryogenic treatment technology alters the fiber's microstructure, significantly increasing liquid capillary action.
The fibers are immersed in the bleaching tank, where active oxygen bubbles vigorously around them, causing the desired lightening effect.
The post-bleach washing system uses circulating water to thoroughly remove active oxidizing agents. Pneumatic nozzles arrange fibers in a specific orientation before compression rollers create a standard sheet thickness. High-speed rotary brushing shafts fluff the compressed surface, increasing contact area for subsequent bonding layers. Rotary cutting knives are cooled by a specialized solution, ensuring sharp cuts and preventing thermal deformation.
Preventing any heat damage.
Manual inspection confirms the material's elasticity and volume recovery capabilities against technical specifications. A closed pneumatic transport system feeds material into the line, completely eliminating the risk of airborne contamination. Precision mist nozzles apply an active layer to the surface, optimizing surface tension for faster absorption. Microperforation equipment creates a breathable mesh without compromising the liquid barrier structure. Embossing rollers create flow channels directing liquid to spread evenly according to the technical design. Segmental cutting machines operate in sync with line speed, separating individual products with absolute precision. Gravity dosing systems add an enhanced absorbent powder layer to critical positions of the product. Microheating elements soften cut edges, reducing the friction coefficient to ensure user safety. Robotic arms perform complex folding operations with precise repeatability, preparing for packaging. Positioning adhesive is sprayed in a matrix grid pattern, ensuring adhesion while maintaining product flexibility. The final protective film is applied, creating an absolutely sterile environment for the absorbent core inside. Drop testing confirms strike-through time meets design standards. Folding robot stations repeat the process at high speed, ensuring stable output productivity. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Non-contact laser cutting technology simultaneously shapes the product and seals edges to prevent fraying. Cam-driven mechanical folding systems compress the product to standard packaging dimensions. Automatic stacking modules synchronize smoothly with the folding cycle, creating aligned product stacks. The output conveyor gathers finished product packs ready for cartoning. Automatic packaging machines assemble product units into multi-packs for retail distribution. The finished product rotates on a glass pedestal, a testament to the perfect combination of precision technology and biomaterials.
Ensure these are trimmed correctly.
Yes, immediately putting them in tray 3.
Mechanical decorticators use reinforced steel rollers to separate the hard outer shell, beginning the fiber extraction process. The winding system maintains constant tension, preventing elongation or fiber breakage during recovery. Multi-stage washing tanks use counter-current flow to maximize cleaning efficiency and dilute impurities. Operating engineers continuously monitor machinery parameters to detect early anomalies in the material flow. High-pressure reaction tanks use active oxygen to break down lignin and pectin bonds at the molecular level. The post-degumming rinsing process helps neutralize fibers and stop chemical reactions.
With the degumming process completed, the fibers are lifted from the tank, showcasing their newly cleaned and softened texture.
Technical inspection confirms fiber cleanliness and ensures softness meets textile spinning standards. Transfer robots load fiber batches into centrifuges, ensuring load balance for the spin drying cycle. Infrared drying tunnels evaporate water from within the fiber core outward without causing thermal shock to the cellulose.
For efficient drying.
Bulk aggregation helps homogenize the quality of fiber batches before entering the carding machine. Combing machines arrange single fibers into absolute parallelism, a prerequisite for creating high-quality thread. Spinning frames create precise twist-turning raw fiber slivers into high-tensile strength thread. The spinning mill operates at an industrial scale, synchronizing thousands of spindles to maximize output. High-speed looms perform the weaving of warp and weft threads, creating a durable fabric structure according to design density. Automatic collection systems gather finished spools for immediate transfer to the weaving department. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Continuous weaving lines produce large width fabric rolls, maintaining stable surface tension across the entire roll shaft. Quality control. QC systems compare the fabric surface with digital blueprints to detect microscopic weaving defects. Laser guidance sensors monitor thread position, adjusting the loom instantly to prevent pattern misalignment. The entire weaving floor is monitored by a central control system, optimizing the operating performance of each machine. Industrial dyeing tanks ensure uniform color saturation across the entire width and length of the fabric roll. The green dye formula forms sustainable chemical bonds with the cellulose structure resisting oxidation fading. Robotic print heads spray ink at high resolution, accurately reproducing complex digital patterns onto the fabric surface.
This specific area, highlighted in blue, shows the highest concentration of lignin, suggesting a need for further enzymatic treatment.
Tensile testing machines check the fabric's yield strength and elasticity under maximum mechanical force.
The delta E reading is stable right across the width.
Excellent. It matches the control sample perfectly. Let's proceed with the next batch.
Manual fabric spreading techniques help release residual stress in the fabric, preventing dimensional distortion before cutting. CAD projection systems overlay the nesting map directly onto the fabric surface, guiding precise cutting operations. High-energy laser beams perform thermal cutting, simultaneously sealing fabric edges to prevent fraying. Automated laser cutters process complex details with precise repeatability under 1 millimeter. Cut parts are sorted and arranged by production codes for transfer to the assembly line. Manual
Using a
pattern
traditional
drawing
bamboo
accurately
pen,
transfers
the
geometric
artisan
design
applies the
parameters
ink,
onto fabric for
preserving a
custom orders.
craft passed down through generations.
AGV's automated guided vehicles handle internal transport, supplying materials to each workstation according to the just-in-time model. Industrial sewing stations use high-speed lock-stitch machines to join garment components. Hand-stitching techniques are applied at locations requiring refinement that industrial machines cannot replace. Close-up of micro-hand embroidery techniques creating complex and exquisite surface texture details. Manual zipper installation ensures absolute alignment and smooth operation of the closure mechanism. High-pressure steam irons help shape the fabric structure and remove thermoplastic deformations. The finished suit is a synthesis of precise tailoring techniques and natural material science. Programmable sewing machines automatically embroidered the brand logo with absolutely uniform stitch density. Steam chambers provide the final fabric conditioning cycle, relaxing fibers and creating natural loft for the garment. Industrial standard folding procedures ensure the product fits perfectly into retail packaging dimensions. Commercial display spaces highlight the practical applicability of this high-performance biofabric. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Modern retail settings honor the aesthetic beauty and flexibility of high-tech banana fiber materials. The finished fabric surface achieves superior tactile properties matching the softnesses of high-end synthetic fabrics.